colors, pencil and a paintbrush. First, color the shells with your favorite colors. Let's start. I have 9 shells here and 4 colors here, so I'm going to paint it carefully. Hold the shell with something like this and then paint so that it can't move around and it will be easy. You can draw it with a black color pencil or pencil, your choice. Then I'll show you how to stick the birds. Now our birds are ready, the colors have dried up, and now we're going to place them on a tree. Now we have to stick the little birds on the branches. Doing with a black ink pen because we need sharp and tiny beaks and legs. So there we have our little birds on a tree.